Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. I have a really pretty eye look for you. If you need to get out the door, if you want something that's no skill involved, it's pretty, you could do this every single day. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, and I hope you do, then you know I share a lot of makeup ideas, skincare, all kinds of things over there. And I like to keep it really simple, no skill involved. That's exactly what this is. Here's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use a bronzer. If you watch this video here, I love to do 150 things with bronzer so that we're buying and using less makeup. I have a one pan eyeshadow. This one is from L'Oreal. I'm going to use an eyeliner, but don't get too upset about that. I'm telling you, this is so easy. Favorite eyeliner in the world. These are the Essence Stay and Play Gel Eyeliners, under $5. They come in about 8 or 10 colors, and you cannot go wrong with these. We're going to kind of smudge it out with a pencil brush. Now, you could use a Q-tip for this. That would make life easier if you wanted to just try it out. If this is something that you decide to do on a day-to-day basis or really often, this is something that I have been doing like for days on end now because it's simple. So the pencil brush, super inexpensive, and you can buy it and it's one and done. But like I said, you're going to need an eyeliner, and you're going to need one that's a little darker because this is going to smudge it out and lighten up the color. I'm going to go ahead and apply all of my makeup up to the point where I apply my eye makeup. And I did want to say I also have a new mascara to show you, or at least it was new to me. All right, here I am, ready to do my eyes. Got my sleeves rolled up, ready to get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my bronzer. I love this bronzer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. And I am using, no glasses on, 250 light. So I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to concentrate above where my lashes would hit. And whatever I have left, I'm just going to even out the rest of my eyes. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one pot eyeshadow from L'Oreal. I like to put something a little light on the inner half of my eye. Makes me look like I've gotten a little bit extra sleep. So I'm just going to put this on the brush and only in the bottom toward the inner corner, just over the inside half of my eye. That's all. Now we can work on the eyeliner. I said I chose the Essence Stay and Play Gel Eyeliner, $5, and I chose the color But First Espresso. I've tried it with several shades. It does work better with a darker shade, so choose whichever one you want. Get it on the pencil brush, and I'm going to start on the bottom. I'm going to start in the outside corner. Now, if you want to go all the way under your eye, you certainly could do that. The method I choose to use is start in the outer corner and go towards the inside. When it falls off, I'm done. Other side. When it falls off, I'm done. I did not go all the way from corner to corner underneath my eye. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. I generally only go about halfway and then just smudge it in just a little bit more. Now I'm not quite done with this, but you can see how it would be even lighter if you chose a lighter color. Lighter color would be terrific for every day. This darker color, also beautiful, just gives you a little bit more. And I'm going to flick the end of it up a little bit. And if that scares you, we're gonna clean it up in just a second. And all I'm going to do is kind of lay the brush down, almost like I'm giving myself a little wing. So you saw how I kind of gave myself a little bit of wing in the outer corner. I like to do that just to lift the eye up, but I realize as we get older and our face starts to droop and the outer corner of our eye points down, that does get a little bit more difficult. So now what I'm going to do is take my concealer brush with a little concealer on the end of it or not. Start with that outer corner there and just kind of flick that up. But you're just cleaning that up and aiming toward the edge of your eyebrow. Do you see that? And it just cleans that up. Same thing with the other side. See how it just helps to get that in the direction that you want to go in? Put on my favorite lipstick. This is number 800 Fairest Nude from L'Oreal. I love this. Okay, time for mascara. Here is the mascara that I have been using. This is new to me. This is the Babe Lash For Real mascara. If you can't see this, the bristles on here are spread apart a little bit, but the end has a little like a spiky ball on the end of it. It makes it so easy to separate your lashes. It is giving just enough product on the lashes without being too much. And then if you go in there with that little ball to separate the lashes, it's not like it deposits a ton more while you're trying to separate everything. I love this. And it has castor oil in it, so that encourages growth in your lashes. This mascara is fantastic. Easy and affordable. You can have this entire eye look done in about 3 or 4 minutes. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you want another super simple makeup tip, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.